evaluate the compound proposition with logical operators in a specific order. If you switch the order in which you evaluate or think about a statement, compound statement, you will reach at different truth tables. Okay? You will get different truth values about them. Okay. So what we do is we usually evaluate the parenthesis first. Okay, so we have things in the parenthesis, we evaluate them first. After that, we evaluate negations, pair conjunction, then pair disjunctions. Okay, so parenthesis, negation, conjunction, disjunction. Okay. All right, let's see an example. So we have P and not Q or. Okay, so in this case there are no parentheses, which means that the next thing we do is we evaluate negation of the Q. Okay, so what is Q? Q is beach. So not Q would be not at beach. उसके बाद फिर we evaluate this conjunction, which is P and not Q. What's P? P is sunny. So sunny and not beach. उसके बाद we evaluate the or operator or the disjunction operator, and we will get sunny and not beach or umbrella. Okay, so stupid statement, but this is what it means. Can you guys fill up this truth table? I can help you fill few columns for you. Okay, so when you arrive at a compound statement, you evaluate parts in that particular order. Okay, you evaluate, for example, you would start with all possible values of the original simple statements, and then you would evaluate what is in the parenthesis. Okay, and then move on, then the negations and so on. Okay, so you already know how to evaluate P or Q, and you already know how to evaluate P and Q. The next step is to evaluate the negation of P and Q. So what's the negation of P and Q? Yeah, you would get a false here and you would get true everywhere else. Okay, awesome. And what would be the end of these two? So iska end karne ke liye what you would do is you would consider these things, these parts, okay, P or Q, and negation of P and Q as the simple statements. Okay, so unki aapke paas truth tables hain. This is true and this is false, so this would be false, and this is true and this is true, this would be true, and this is true and this is true, this would be true. This would be false and true, and this would be false. Is this recognizable? Do you recognize this truth table?
Yes.
What is it? Yeah. So see, this statement is actually the definition of exclusive OR. Okay. Exclusive OR between P and Q is equal to disjunction and conjunction with the negation of their conjunction. Okay, that's the kind of problem you will see on the quizzes and homeworks. Okay, so exclusive OR is equal to disjunction of two statements conjuncted with the negation of the conjunction. Okay, it's a mouthful, but let me say it again. I mean, it's written over there, I'm just pronouncing it. It's the disjunction conjuncted with the negation of their conjunction. Okay, so we are taking disjunction, we are taking conjunction, isko negate kar rahe hain, फिर then we are conjuncting. Okay, that's actually exclusive OR. So what that means is, what does it mean? It implies that you don't need exclusive OR as a fundamental operator. Okay, अगर exclusive OR आपकी language में ना होता, तो you were able to construct exclusive OR on your own. Okay, you didn't need to define exclusive OR. You could have defined it on your own. Okay, so that's a nice thing to note here. Are we on the same page? Yes. All right. Yeah, so that statement written again.